Hey guys, Tom here from Fix Room Group once again. Just wanted to walk through the workshop and see what we've got going on. So we're going to cast our eyes to this Corvette next to me here. That one's going to get some black PPF on it. This particular model actually came with decals down the doors as well. So we're going to be reprinting and basically replicating those and putting them on with some high quality vinyl. The customer actually gurneyed them off the last time he washed the car, so we're going to make sure that sticks really nicely. And then we're going to be doing a paint correction and ceramic coating all over it to make sure we look after the vinyl and the paint when it's looking mint. It's actually just had a paint job done at the bump shop as well. I'm not sure if I've spoken about the bump shop to you guys, but they're a really good mob in Brisbane, I believe Eagle Farm. Give them a go if you ever need any repairs done on your car. Really mint jobs, they will look after you 100%. We've also done some tinting on the tail lights here, so we've done one of the four, just in like a medium sort of tint, so it changes the look, but it's not so dramatic that, you know, it looks basically black, which some of them can do. We've got an Audi RS5 over here, just on the hoist at the moment, so this one's had the wheels taken off. We've given the wheels a good polish and we're going to be ceramic coating them inside and out. The whole paintwork is getting a correction and pomponazzi all over it. We're doing a few little bits of restoration and some painting and things on the car here and there. That one's actually about a 2015 model that the owner just purchased. It's his first sort of, you know, really nice sort of luxury vehicle, and he wanted to look after it, give it the works, give it some love. So we're going to be doing everything we can to make that good for him. This one over here, I believe, is a fairly recent purchase as well. So this one had some resprays done. The front bar and the side skirt, they both had some cracking in it. One actually had a massive hole, and we've patched that up and painted those. And, you know, they're looking really good, brand new, just like the rest of the car. Gave it a paint correction, so that's looking sweet. We've had it for a little while. A couple of rim repairs as well. That's just about good to go. It's going to be leaving this afternoon, actually. In the wrapping booth, we've got the AMG GT. So that one, we wrapped that in satin black a little while ago, and our lovely friend had it with you know, a mate of his, and they damaged the wrap, which is very sad. So we've actually taken it off, and we're going to be reinstalling the vinyl just to make sure it looks mint once again. So last one we've got just outside here at the moment is the Range Rover, hang on, I don't know what model it is. Range Rover Sport. So the last car we've got outside here is Range Rover Sport HSE model. So that's the one that comes with red brake calipers. It's also got satin black wheels, and the owner hates cleaning them. So he's actually going to be getting them gloss black, and then while we've got the wheels off, car on the hoist, we're going to be changing the calipers to yellow. So a bit of a different look. It's not stock, but, you know, it's something a little bit more vibrant, a bit more life to it, so he'll have a unique looking Range Rover when that's done. We'll have it for a couple of days, make sure it's mint, and I'm keen to see how it comes out. So you know, that's pretty much it for the... Ow, I've got something in my eye. That's pretty much it for today, guys, and I'll see you next time.